to Miss Marissa moment. Today, we're outside. We're gonna go enjoy nature.
Hey you, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to watch our favorite girl and teach us something new. We're making crafts, we're playing games, we're going for a ride. You can find us having fun on every Sunday night. It's time for Miss Marissa moments. It's time for Miss Marissa moments. It's time for Miss Marissa moments. It's time for Miss Marissa moments.
The first thing, I see a walking stick. It's an insect. It's hanging out on my front door. Insects have 6 legs. Doesn't he look like a stick? But he's an insect. Here's a pumpkin. Fall is beautiful. Look, the trees are changing colors. Oh, leaves are falling off the trees. Here's a crane fly. It looks like a big mosquito. Nighttime! Please! Oh, what fun! I can write down and put it in a big old pile and I can fall into it. Look at these pretty needles. Look at this nice sparkle. I think I see some berries. I don't know for sure if they're good to eat. I'm gonna leave them alone. Look, I found a pine cone. Found 2 colors in my yard, yellow and a red. Look at their pretty moms. Every now or then, go outside and enjoy nature. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.